Next up, Junkyard. In this video, I'll show you how to find the mystical crate, defeat the 2 elite enemies, as well as find the weapon and armor crate. Let's go ahead and do it. This one's located all the way to the far southwest of the current playable area down here. First of all, the Rift Anchor. This is where we'll start from, but of course you can skip to anywhere in this video. Starting from the Rift Anchor over here, we'll activate this, eliminate the nearby guards, and once we've cleared them out, you can already see one of the items that we need to grab. So heading in here, you'll see that this is the gear crate. There we go. Next, heading back out towards this little train cart over here, we'll need to get up and into it, where you can see the mystical crate. So we'll jump across from this box, and there we go. Grabbing this, we've now got 2 of the items. So there's the mystic crate and what we got from it. This is again located right next to the Rift Anchor over here. You can see it there inside the building, hop into this box, and into here for the mystic crate. Next, heading down towards this area, you should find the first elite. So heading over the wall in any way you can, you should be able to start clearing out this area, and one of the guards should be the elite one. If you manage to clear it out quick enough with one-shot headshots, it's easy enough to clear it out without even being spotted, up until, of course, the elite. Clearing out everything including the turrets, we'll need to head into this building where you should find the elite. So there's the mechanic, and of course a bunch of angry drones around him. Clearing out the remaining guards, this is the loot that we got from him. Pretty good. While you're inside this same building, head down, and at the very end of the corridor, turn left, where in here you should find the weapon crate. It's very well hidden, and you probably wouldn't find it if you weren't watching a video like this. Inside of it, this is what I found. Then, we'll head out and towards this area over here, and they should be located just inside of this building, again, just to the right over here. Heading inside, you can already see the bruiser or elite that's right here. So we'll grab a good close range weapon and dispatch them. And there we go. The second elite is now down, and of course, behind them, you'll find yet another crate. This is the gear crate. And with that, we've now pretty much finished the area. I recommend just going through the rest of the buildings here just to find some random loose loot and stuff like that. But anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.